So this is just a quick revision video for the binomial expansion. Now you will be given the formula in your formula book for the exam. However, I'm just going to write it out for the purpose of this question. So we're going to be using 1 plus x to the n is equal to 1 plus nx plus n minus 1 over 2 factorial x squared plus n minus 1, n minus 2 over 3 factorial x cubed. And I'm going to stop there because the question's only asking us to go in ascending powers up to x cubed. So we're asked to expand 4 plus 6x to the power of minus a half. So remember, in this case, n is equal to minus a half. Now you should notice that the format that this is in is not the format that the formula is in, because we have 4 plus 6x, not 1 plus something x. So we need to factorize the 4 out. So if we factorize that out, we get 1 plus, now 6 divided by 4 is the same as 3 over 2 x, and that's all to the power of minus a half. Now 4 to the power of minus a half is the same as 1 over the square root of 4, which is the same as a half. So we can rewrite this as a half, or 0.5 brackets 1 plus 3 over 2x to the power of minus a half. And now we can use binomial expansion to work that out and just multiply everything by 0.5 at the end. So using our formula, we would have 1 plus, now n is minus a half, and then x in this case we're going to rewrite as 3 over 2x, plus minus a half minus 1 over 2 factorial is just 2 times 1, so that's 2, and then 3 over 2x squared. So that's the third term. Now the fourth term, we have minus a half minus 1 minus a half minus 2 all over 3 factorial, which is 3 times 2 times 1, which gives us 6. And then multiplied by 3 over 2x cubed. So we can multiply this out, and when we get that, we get 1 plus minus a half times 3 over 2x is minus 3 over 4x. So we can just get rid of that plus. And then minus a half times minus a half minus 1 times 3 over 2x squared. Dividing that by 2 should give us 27 over 32x squared. And the final term, when we put this in our calculator, will give us 135 over 128x cubed. So you've expanded that section. However, we need to multiply it all by a half. So we'll get a half minus 3 over 8x plus 27 over 64x squared minus 135 over 256x cubed. So that's our final answer for that expansion up to and including x cubed.